I would begin with the importance of leadership, and a unified church is a church where the leadership is unified. The people know and recognize that the leadership is on the same page and working together, and that unity then, I believe many times, will then filter down to the congregation. I think of I love Romans 15. I think our brother moderator referenced that so with one heart and with one voice we may glorify the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ. And that one heart, one voice, again united towards a common purpose, a common mission that has been clearly communicated. And I think Ephesians 4, obviously a text for biblical unity, and Romans, when it speaks of the weaker brother, that's an important text as well.